Good morning from Söderbysjön, and one of the many spontaneous nudist beach spots here in the beautiful Swedish nature. It is 10th of July 2026, currently 7 a.m. I'm out very early as it was forecasted to have some sun only in the morning, and I'm out for a quick morning swim here in the lake. And I visited this beach spot like a week ago, so it is my second time here ever actually, and it's so amazing indeed. Peaceful morning. It was sunny, more sunny earlier. Now it seems like some clouds are in, but still super nice. We have 17 degrees Celsius in the air currently, and we're gonna find out in a bit the temperature also in the water. That you can see it's so clear right now. Yes, pista number 57 maybe. I need to double check on my list. And 10th of July, the day is today. I just can't believe that we are almost halfway through the summer. It goes really fast indeed. And okay, it has been cooled down drastically. It is 17 degrees Celsius in the lake. I remember that it was up to 24 here a few weeks back. So definitely the cold weather last week has chilled down. Especially actually during the night when it is mostly cold, and it can get down to 10 degrees during the night. So yeah, but it's still very good temperature for me personally, because I have been swimming for quite a long time now. So, and it's also now the same temperature in the air as in the lake. So let's then get going and enjoy a nice swim in the lake Söderbysjön today. I just love it when I can see the bottom. Okay. All right, so let's then get going. Ready, set, and go. Very nice. Very peaceful morning indeed. The water is so still, no wind. Perfect start of the day, with other words. I just love the sounds of the birds, and it sounds so amazing indeed. Perfect. All right, now it's time for Chris to swim a bit longer. few more minutes, but thank you so much for watching this episode from Söderbysjön and this spontaneous nudist beach spot, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.